你好，小朋友。今天陈老师还是请你和我一起上一节英文课，所以我们像在学校那样戴帽子，一二三，说英文。All right, before we start our lesson today, let's take a look at our cafe menu for English. So this cafe menu is different from an actual menu because there's no food on here, obviously. But we've learned about many different strategies to improve our English comprehension, accuracy, fluency, and vocabulary. So before winter break, we learned about the difference between facts and opinions, so that when we're reading a text, we can find what is a fact and what is an opinion, which can help us improve our reading comprehension in English. And we've also practiced reading with fluency. We practiced reading using different tones for different sentences to show our expression. And that's one way to read with fluency. And we've also learned about vowels and consonants a lot when we were still going to school in person. So we learned about what are some vowels in English, what are consonants in English. And today we're going to learn one more thing about English vocabulary called adjectives. So let's read our learning target of the day together. I can use adjectives to describe things around me. So first, let's watch a video together to learn about what is an adjective. There we go.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Channel!
What is an adjective? What is an adjective? Check it out. An adjective is a part of speech that makes reading and writing more exciting for you and me. Listen, here's how it works. Adjectives and nouns, they work together to help make your reading and writing so much better. You've got to have a noun like teacher, house, or door. Then the adjective describes the noun and tells you more. Mommy is a noun that is a person. Now let's say some adjectives that describe and tell you more about the mommy. She is a good mommy. She is a funny mommy. She is a kind mommy. She is a sweet mommy. Good, funny, kind, sweet are all adjectives that describe the mommy. School is a noun that is a place. Now let's say adjectives that describe and tell you more about the school. It is a new school. It is a big school. It is a friendly school. It is a safe school. New, big, friendly, safe are all adjectives that describe the school. Boat is a noun that is a thing. Now let's say adjectives that describe and tell you more about the boat. It is a fast boat. It is a fishing boat. It is a wooden boat. It is a whale boat. Fast, fishing, wooden, whale are all adjectives that describe the boat. What is an adjective? What is an adjective? Let's be.
All right, so let's take a look. So an adjective is a part of a speech that describes a noun. So a noun can be a place, like Lila, can be a person, like Chen Laoshi, can be a thing, like this deck of paper. So to describe a noun, we need different kinds of adjectives, right? So for example, the first kind of adjective describes the size of something. For example, big, small, large, huge, little, short, tall, tiny. Like Chen Laoshi is a big person, or Chen Laoshi is a small person. Chen Laoshi is a tall person. Chen Laoshi is a short person, right? It describes the size of something. The second category describes the texture, like smooth, soft, hard, woven, rough, slippery, fuzzy, crunchy. And you can also describe the shape of something, right? Like circle, square, flat, sphere, round, cone, oval, wide. And you can also describe feelings like angry, happy, funny, kind, silly, sweet, gentle, sad. Or you can describe like how old, how fast, how late, like time of something. Like maybe it's something really old, maybe this is something that's really fast. You can describe kind of how this thing age or how this thing moves. So we can use all those different kinds of adjectives to describe different things around us. For example, this is our school Leela. So we can say that Leela is a new, because our building is pretty new, is a new and happy, because when we go to Leela, we're very happy. So Leela's new, happy, and let's go back to our list. And huge, maybe, because the building we were in was pretty huge. And huge school. See? So we can use different adjectives to describe a noun, like school, to give people a little bit more information about this thing we're talking about. Right? So now let's take a look at our Seesaw activity today to see what we are going to do. All right, so when you get on Seesaw, you will see this assignment. That's January 5th English adjectives. I'm going to click Add Response. All right, the first one is a picture of Leela. So like what we just did, you can use pen or pencil, or you can click on this to type. It's up to you. So we can say Leela is a new huge and happy school. So those are 3 adjectives that I can use to describe Leela. So the second page, move this a little bit more, is a picture of me. So you're going to think of 3 different adjectives that describe me as a teacher. So you can say Chen Laoshi is a good teacher, Chen Laoshi is a bad teacher, Chen Laoshi is a pretty teacher. You can use whatever adjective you would like to describe me on the second page. The third page is a painting called The Starry Night. So you can look at the picture and think, what are some words, what are some adjectives I can use to describe this painting? And put it right in here. 3 different adjectives. And last but not least, you're going to, on page 4, you're going to take a photo of something at your house and then write a sentence with at least 3 adjectives that describe it. So for example, I'm going to take a picture of this painting I did. Okay. All right, I'm going to put this painting this picture right here. And I'm going to say, my painting is pretty, colorful, and see, I used 3 different adjectives to describe the painting I did. And I'm going to put it right here. Ta-da! So when you're done with 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 pages, make sure to click this check button to share your work with me. All right, that is our English homework for today. Enjoy your learning with adjectives.